How to enable or disable hardware decoding in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the main menu at the top. Then click on DaVinci Resolve and select Preferences. Next, in the Preferences window, click on the System tab. Then, select the Decode option section on the left side. Here you can enable hardware acceleration for specific formats by ticking Use CPU for Blackmagic, Raw Decode, or use Easy TCP Decoder. To disable hardware decoding for these formats, simply untick these boxes. For common codecs like H.264 and H.265, hardware decoding is usually managed automatically by DaVinci Resolve if your GPU supports it, and there is no separate option to enable or disable it manually. To check that hardware decoding is enabled overall, go to the Memory and GPU section in Preferences and make sure your GPU is selected. After making your changes, click on Save to apply the settings. It's a good idea to restart DaVinci Resolve after adjusting hardware decoding to ensure the new settings take effect properly. If you experience playback or performance problems, try disabling hardware decoding option or update your GPU drivers to improve compatibility. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable hardware decoding in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.